wak na ron. Okay, let's do it this way. Para mas masaya. Kailangan po mag-kiss kayo. Okay? The most sweetest, correct French kiss. Ready? In one. Face your partner. In 1, 2, 3, we now kiss. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Palakpakan naman po. Alright. Sila po, that sweet kiss. Very nice for you. It angel ang datingan. Ang sabi ko natin, lips to lips. Up to time.